corn soup, 100% plant-based. Here we have some celery. I'm going to use half of an onion, 5 cubes of garlic, 2 stalks of scallions, half of a red sweet pepper. Mix everything together. So I'm going to use 6 corn. Remember, it's corn soup I'm making. I'm going to use some baby pop chai. I'm only going to use the green leaves, not the stem. I'm going to use 1 throat chop. I'm going to add 2 small sweet potatoes, 1 Irish potato, 1 cocoa, then to add some cassava, now I'm going to start the soup. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now I'm going to saute the celery, onions, garlic, pumpkin, carrots, and sweet pepper. Tomatoes, 2 tablespoons green seasoning, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, a tablespoon all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to use a coconut. You know me don't leave out my coconut. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk. Now I'm going to cover it up for it to come to a boil. Now I'm going to add 6 cups of boiling water. I'm going to add the provisions. Stir. Now I'm going to add the corn. I'm going to make it cook for 20 minutes. Now I'm adding the baby pop chai. Cover it for 5 minutes. So here you have it, corn soup, 100% plant-based.